Ay, mingaw dyan sila ligo guys. Ala, dito mo. Dito mo. Aligo sila sa ulan. Dito. Ay, nag-roll dire. Hi. Isuroy ta mo. Pasyal tayo. Ano?
Magbili ako ng push pop. Push pop.
Saan po bili? Sa SM o sa... Saan banda? Ha?
Wala namin nakita.
Di ba daw dia ang bata?
Pwede, ikaw, dali.
Kita kay ka dia.
Ginagawa ba ka?
Ayaw. Diyan ang school ni ate. Nagwan ako. Ay, nag-swing ko. Nag-swing.
Ay.
Kaplastig.
Nag-words ko. Kaya
Diyan pala sa vlog.
Mama, nagdali-dali lang ni Lolo. Nagdali-dali.
Bali school sa ate dira.
Mama, okay.
Dito ka dapat may istorya kay na ditong vlog.
Oo, dali.
Story mo yung sa ballet school ni ate.
Asan ballet school ni ate?
Sabi din ni Daddy. Daddy mo na ko.
Ay, ano mo yan?
Dito sa school ni
Tanggal mo na.
Daddy.
Ano? Wala man tayo na gano'n.
Ano?
Dito sa school, Daddy. Ano? Ni ate. Ayaw nga sa basic. Yan na sa iba na school.
Ingay ang ulan. Yan na diyan.
Iwan basa, diri.
Ano na nabasa? Meron
Wala.
siya.
Oh, wala. Wala na.
Ay, dali lang manipi. Ulan lang sa oras yan, Jin.
Pero oh.
Wala una pa day.
Tayo ko nga nata.
Wala.
Ako man sige ni mo gi-vlog ma.
Wala, nakasain lang mo. Haluan.
Oo. Di kailangan sa nila magpundo diya. Usog kay ulan. Si Puloy po, basing magpundo sa siya. Ihilak na
Ay, wala pa to ni In, si Kuan.
si
Virgatin.
Ay, nilak si God. Gusto niyo
Ano ba din diri?
sa car.
Oo, katon si Kuan. Ako amiga isa.
Itong asawa ni Juan.
Todom, dili.
Dito itong si asawa ni ano yung tawagan ni?
Si Kuan lagi.
So niya sa atong record.
Dili. Atong nasa Shalom.
Uy, mag-vlog ka muna.
Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Kaya ito bigay mo kay ate.
Thank you. Thank you. Kay Kuya daw, bigay mo. At, may kutsi.
Pinakay ko ano para sa ito.
Restart man. Sige.
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. Makinay.
Birahi. Birahi. Go na sila, dali ah.
Makars, nauna.
Ha?
Nauna mo, Kars.
Agay.
School na, George. School na.
Ulan na.
School ni ate. Kasi ganda ko yung school ni ate. Ah,
Right.
7-Eleven.
Right.
Up sa 7-Eleven.
Di na to mag-check up ang kuhan, oy. Sa Cataluna.
Ah, wala. Iulan.
Basa, guys.
Itong nauro ng Juan.
Tara.
Kadong takatalunan, dili taagi.
Ah.
Gagi dyan, Daddy Brad.
Was joking.
Share mo
joking.
yan, George. Share mo yan doon sa ano ha. Kinaating ka sa kuya ha. Okay?
Ano pala yung laman yan? Anong laman?
Dolly name. Its name is Dolly. I cannot stop. Hello. Hello. Here's my Dolly. And my ate. I said it as unicorn. This is a rainbow, and this is a unicorn. You need to color, and yes, it and beautiful and rainbow. It's the color. Let's paint it with the color. Look. This is in my video. And here's this.
What's that? What's that?
No.
Oh.
I think what you did. I have made this and turn around. It's a magic. It's a magic with a trick. See, you can. It's very blue. Blue. Diba? I have a gummy bear too. I have a gummy bear. It's a gummy bear, and I have an orange over here, orange. And this is
What color?
Jimbo.
Rainbow.
This is a mountain seat. This is Jimbo, and this is Ginger. This is Jimbo, 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 and Jimbo. And this is Jimbo. And I have a surprise for you. Here's a water bottle. Okay, let me drink. This is. Okay, let's go again. And smile.
Your doll. Your doll. Show your doll.
I'm gonna show my doll. I'm gonna show my doll. Let's good. Good to her chest. Good to her ears. It's got a carrot on the ears. You can see in the eyes. And the battery is not working. Also, anyone else? And this is for the house. I have my water bottle. Okay? And it's dry. Look, you can touch it. It's a dry hand. Yes. We've done your video. I have a surprise for you. This is not inside. It's a world. Let me open it. There's a world over here. This is video. It's a great listen. Better. This is a world. She's the broken way. This is a broken way because it's alien, because there's an alien. There's a dog. I made alien. Made because where's the alien? Because I'm gonna put it over there to do this. And next is a dragon. First, Lola. Let's hear it. this. You could fly it here with this. And cheese. An eagle. An eagle. An eagle. She's a name Eagle. 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 Let's find like an Ariel. And she's not a girl. Do you have an oar? Fly oar.
Huh?
Hello. Hello. Now. Now. There's more. It's a man. It's scratchy. You have no hand. You have no hand. She has no hand. Everybody. Hello. Look at Bacon. She's sad. Wala siyang laruan. Sadara, nahulog. Huh? What's wrong here? Wow. Where's that? It's a balloon. Balloon. Wow. I have no daddies or anything. It's a bigger. What? Nothing. Let me show you. Show me anything. Oh, wow.
Show them.
Show them. Oh, wow. Hey, come over here. See you next time. Subscribe to my Dadays vlog.